Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete all your Instagram posts at once using the latest Instagram update. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap on your activity. After that, tap on posts. Now here, you will see all of your Instagram posts. If you want to delete all your Instagram posts at once, then tap on select option in the top right corner. After that, choose all the posts you want to delete. Then tap on delete button in the bottom right corner. Now, if you tap the delete again, all of the selected Instagram posts will be permanently removed from your Instagram account at once. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.